Hello friends, today's video is going to be about how we can upload multiple images without using any code. So previously we can see we had the option to upload single image, but now Creator has the feature to add multiple images without using any code, and this can be used in terms of like if you have any store or any product to showcase. In that scenario, if you have multiple images of a product, you can use this field. So here you can see when I drag drop the image field, now we have the option of multiple images here. Once we click on it, done. I will rename it to multiple images, then done. Now once we access this application, we can see that now we have option to upload multiple images. This way you can have multiple images uploaded without using any code. Thanks for the If you like my video, please like subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.